Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So I'm at Burlington. I'm going to show you the kids' clothes and shoes. They have super cute graphic tees with unicorns. So many cute little jackets. I love this DKNY jacket. It has flip sequins on the back. This Levi shirt says shine, so pretty. And everything is like $7.99, $9.99. Very good prices. I love this unicorn hoodie. And this flip sequin butterfly shirt. There's another butterfly shirt with a rainbow. So it looks like lots of unicorns, lots of butterflies, lots of DKNY denim jackets. Here's a catacorn. Here's a Nike tee. Another Nike tee, a unicorn sweater, follow your heart tee, a llama, another Levi shirt. Looks like the brands I see the most that are popular are Levi and Nike, and here's Puma. But I don't see Justice. Like Justice, you can always find it at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but I don't see it here at Burlington. So lots of flip sequins too. There's a little Elsa dress. So the shoe section for the girls are just right over here. So I'm going to check out and see what super cute shoes they have. Right away, I see lots of colorful, cute shoes. I love these green glitter ones. They're like Converse that are glittery. Look at these super cute Michael Kors that are on clearance. They have little church shoes. This Juicy Couture church shoes are so cute. They're just $15. They look like little ballet shoes. And these are super pretty. They're like yellow and they're velvet. Some cute little summer sandals. These are Adidas. And they're only $7. So I hope you liked seeing what was new at Burlington. They had some super cute clothes and shoes. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.